I haven't really been in the best place mentally. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be doing a little bit of a haul vlog style and also give you guys a little bit of an update what's happening on the channel, what's happening with me and like my other social media. So yeah, I've just filming this look. I used the Novena palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I haven't actually used that palette in quite some time. It's actually one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. As you guys can see, I created this sort of like cut crease look. It's probably not the most perfect cut crease, but it's my attempt at doing that, certainly. So we have a couple of packages I'll show you guys. So first we've got this big box, stuff from One Daydream. So that's a PR agency, and they sent me a variety of products, which I'll show you guys a little bit more in a second. First we've got this little pack from Ole Henriksen. So Ole Henriksen is a brand available at Sephora. I really like their toner. It's glycolic based and I love glycolic toners in general. So if you guys have congestion in the skin, if you don't know what that is, I'll put a photo of what that looks like. This stuff is really good for that. I mean, obviously it also is good for dark spots and stuff like that, but to prevent the dark spots from occurring, you know, glycolic acid is the best. And then you've also got the brightening serum and the gel moisturizer. I haven't actually tried out the moisturizer. I think I've tried out the eye cream, which is very similar, I think, but really good. So yeah, I think this is a winning combo. And there's also another little bag in here. So first thing that my partner and I really noticed was this one. This one is a hand sanitizer. This one is from La Clinica. All-purpose fast-acting hand sanitizer. This stuff smells strong, but I think it's just, yeah, 70% ethanol, which is what you would normally use for sanitizing your hands. Ooh, okay, so these are new. So I have worked with Sand & Sky in the past, and I haven't tried these particular products before. So this one is the Tasmanian Spring Water Hydration Boost Cream. So another moisturizer. This one looks really nice. I also like the packaging from Sand & Sky. They always have really cute packaging. And then there's also the Splash Serum. So I'll look into it a little bit more, like what makes these guys a bit different from other moisturizers. And then we also have the Australian Emu Apple Enzyme Powder Polish. Ooh, okay, so it's brightening and smoothing. I'm intrigued. What is this? I have tried out like powder base, like exfoliators in the past, so this would be interesting. Oh. So at the very top there's a little hole, you can dispense as much powder as you need, and it pretty much, I think it just says, pour half a teaspoon of powder into the palm of your hand, add a couple of drops of water. Okay, so it becomes like a scrub. I will give that a try and maybe do like an Instagram video, because that stuff always works really well on my Instagram. By the way, if you guys haven't followed me on Instagram yet, at MrKenDenis, and if you guys are interested in like photography, food, that sort of stuff, definitely check out my other page called Life of Ken. That's associated to my vlogging channel. Again, like I feel like I haven't really spoken to you guys, like spoken to you guys. I have a vlogging channel, hence why I haven't really vlogged on this channel. I still will upload a couple of vlogs, obviously, but I think they're going to really be more beauty focused, as opposed to just like my general, like whatever kind of vlogs, whatever I feel like filming that week. It's just going to help this channel grow a little bit better in terms of like what kind of genre it is, because I feel like sometimes I do upload random content, and if you're a new subscriber, a new person to the channel, you probably don't even know what this channel is about. You know, if I spoke about tech and then all of a sudden it's all beauty, it may be confusing, like, and I get that. So I am trying to just keep things to their own channel, that way it's not too confusing. A few more skincare items. We've got these ones from Biore. So Biore is a very popular Asian brand, I believe. I think it is Asian. But it says Japanese beauty care, so I don't know if this is just like a specific Japanese formula. Biore is a very popular brand in Asia. If you guys don't know, I was born and raised in Hong Kong, and during my teenage years I didn't really have the best skin, so I would use St. Ives, Biore, Clean and Clear. Those were the products or brands I would go for to achieve better skin. And yeah, I have very fond memories of Biore. We've got the Yuzu Lemon Dragon Fruit. I've never heard those ingredients used in skincare before, hence why probably it's new. It says it's going to give you brighter looking skin in 1 week. So I've got the Brightening Exfoliating Scrub. I have got the Brightening Jelly Cleanser. So this one says it's got lemon and ginseng. So I know ginseng is quite apparently like energizing. I'm not really sure. Anyway, I might be making that up. Also have the Yuzu Lemon plus Papaya Brightening Mask. It says lifts dead skin cells and boosts radiance to improve tone and texture. You get 4 to 5 uses out of this. Cute packaging. Honestly, this reminds me of like, you know, those jelly drinks that you can have. Yeah, it just reminds me of that. Oh, okay, charcoal deep cleansing pore strips. My partner's gonna love trying these. He loves like pore strips and stuff. So we might try that out for him. He's like looking at me right now. Yeah, so we'll try that out and see how that goes. I have to do his hair as well, so we might put this on his nose while we do his hair. He's giving me the nod of approval, guys. Like, he's behind the camera, like not behind the camera filming me. He's just in that direction. All right, now we're going to move on to makeup. First box is from BYS. I love BYS. So if you guys are my international followers and you guys don't know what BYS is, it's basically a really inexpensive makeup brand here in Australia. They have a lot of really inexpensive drugstore level makeup, and they also do special effects. Like, they have a special effects range. So I've got the special effects face and body paints. Don't know if they have actual like specific names, I can't tell, but this one has more of your traditional colors. So if, you know, if you want to do general face painting and stuff, this is probably the one you would go for. And then there's this one that has more interesting, well, actually they're both interesting, but I'd say like more interesting like neon colors, and then also some glittery shades as well. I am going to be filming a Halloween look after this, so I might use one of these. I still don't know which one I'll use, maybe a combination of both, who knows, we'll see. But just an example of what you guys can do with these things. I'll let you guys know what I think about it. I have used a couple of the special effects color wheels before, and I really enjoy using them. Again, really inexpensive. Usually when you go online looking for like these sort of like face paints, like the professional ones, they're really expensive, and as someone who doesn't really do professional makeup, this is really good. I mean, I know a couple of professional makeup artists that use these particular palettes as well, and they're really good, so check BYS out. I've also got another color wheel, and this one is actually a glitter color wheel, so that's what that one looks like. Like I said, I have a couple of looks in mind that I want to film, but we'll see how things go, because I'm not exactly feeling the best up here. Which kind of leads on to the next thing that I want to talk about in this video as well. I haven't really been in the best place mentally. I haven't really filmed very engaging videos in quite some time. As some of you guys might have already known, I am seeing like professionals for help for this sort of stuff, but obviously it is a process and it's going to take some time, and there are certain things in my life that are still in, well, not limbo, like they're still in progress, so it's going to take some time. So I do appreciate that you guys have really stuck around and still really engaged with me. I promise once things get a little bit better, I will start to be a little bit more open with you guys, but for now it's kind of going to be just like, this is the makeup and this is what it is. Also, I have a playlist on my other channel called Life of Ken. I do plan on doing a lot more travel videos as soon as things are back to normal or relative normal, that we can travel around again, because I do enjoy filming and traveling, that sort of thing, so I really want to do that. So hopefully we can do that very soon. I have a couple of things in mind that I really want to do. I know that we're going to go on break like at work in December, and if things are back to normal, or like there's a little bit more freedom in terms of movement, we do plan on like traveling a little bit so that I can vlog a little bit more and just get out of the house really. Next package we have is from Mecca Max. So I reached out to them and asked them if they have anything that they think that would be good for me to feature or try out, and they sent me their new Zoom liners. So these are like the colors that they've got, and here is the box they sent me. This is the first time I'm actually opening it, so I don't actually know how many they sent me. Ooh, really cool. Really cool. And I also really like these sort of lighter pastel colors. If you guys have checked my Instagram recently, you guys know I've been really into pastels recently, and I really want to see if I can make an eyeshadow look using these, or like just an eye look in general. And I think they have like a promotional image here, and it looks really cool. Like this one over here. I don't know if that's going to show up really well on camera, but it looks really cool. I kind of want to do that look but all over the eyes. Last makeup package is from Laura Mercier. I still cannot believe I'm on their PR list. Also, this package came straight from America, which really blew my mind. Like, really, the PR company in, or the PR team behind Laura Mercier in America has noticed me. Like, that's... Anyway. Alright, so we've got a couple of cards in here which just give you an indication of what's going to be in the box. So that's really, really cute. Like, the effort and the packaging, just so extra. Love that. The other day I listened to Underneath the Christmas Tree by Kelly Clarkson. This was like on my Spotify. This was kind of like by accident, to be honest. It was kind of like just on random and it started playing and I wasn't hating it. Anyway, let's move on to this one. This one is the Grand Overture Mini Caviar Quartet. Oh, look at that. And those are the colours. And those are the colours. Again, I'm not going to open everything because I don't want to ruin it. I want to take photos. Where is that card? So that's what they look like. I am really, really interested to see how they are going to perform on the eyes. And mainly, I mainly use these particular sort of like products as just an eyelid shade. But we'll see how things go. I think one of them looks fairly dark and matte, but we'll see. We'll see. Next, we've got the Sweeping Beauty Essential Brush Collection. Oof. That's pretty. I'm never going to get that ribbon back on properly. It's like this nice faux leather case for these brushes, which is really extra considering there's only like, what, 5 brushes in here? Like, for me, I would need like a whole set, like 10 brushes at the very least. But, you know, this is really cute. This is really cute. Next, you've got the Set to Perfect Translucent Loose Setting Powder and Puff. Again, packaging, very, very festive. Oh, it's a full-sized one. I thought it was going to be like a sample size, like a small one, but thank you. I actually prefer the translucent now that I've done that video between the honey and the translucent. I prefer translucent on myself, just because I am fairly pale at the moment because I have really been going out in the sun. Come summer, when I can wear my darker foundations, I think I'll prefer honey. At the moment, just honey, it's a little bit too warm for my liking at this point. But yeah, I really, really like this powder. Like, I'm just glad now I've got like 3 options to choose from. Thank you so much, Laura Mercier. You guys spoil me so much. The last one is the Opening Night Cheek Palette. By the way, if you guys live in Australia, Laura Mercier is available at Mecca. So if you guys want to purchase anything from this collection, definitely check out their website or head into store if you guys live in a state that's open. Look at the detail. That's the thing with like higher end brands. Like, the packaging is always just like a little bit more extra, and I'm here for it. Ooh, pretty. Yeah, that's pretty. I would definitely wear that blush for summer. Like, for those of you guys that don't know, here in Australia, the seasons are backwards. So we have summer in December. So this is definitely going to be the colour for me because it's very nice and peachy. I love peachy blushes. And then the bronzer, I probably wouldn't really use just because it looks like it's got a little bit of shimmer, and I don't really like shimmery bronzers. I prefer my matte bronzers. But this highlighter though, like, that looks like it's going to pack a punch. And there you guys go. That is pretty much the haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you guys would like to see more of me, definitely check out my Instagram. And if you guys would like to watch my review on the Laura Mercier Translucent versus Honey shades, definitely check out the screen and down. Definitely check out the eye on the screen and down in the description box down below. If you guys are looking for other videos of me to watch, definitely check it down there as well. I've got everything down there for you guys. And that is pretty much it for me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.